Cadillac has arrived.
You know, two fat dudes in the golf cart. You still have a little bit of leg room.
Dude, it's not bad, man, you know?
Oh shit.
You know, not bad.
So on today's video, when we get back to Dustin's house from a golf cart ride, we're gonna be swapping out some tires on the Grizzly and seeing how that goes. We got like a redneck tire changer machine and Dustin, so I think we'll get it.
A little redneck ingenuity couldn't have happened today.
So once we get back, we'll get back to it.
I've been up and I've been down and I done seen it all. Was in the gym working my shot, now they pass me the ball. They never answer when I call, now I'm the one they call. I done been up and I've been down and I done seen it all.
That's how we roll.
All right guys, so Dustin and I are gonna work on popping all these beads. We're gonna throw you guys in a little time lapse. Let's go. To the tire changer.
It's right there by your leg.
Oh, dude, that thing is state of the art.
Buddy, old school, man. Going old school with her.
You said you had a new tire machine.
No.
I didn't know you meant.
You thought new. I told you not new.
I didn't know you meant newly old. Oh, there she goes.
Pop.
Look at that. Like cake.
All right, good day. He's getting there. Bit by bit. Alright guys, so now comes the really fun part. Getting the tires off aren't as bad as putting them on. So
Gotta yell at her. Oh! Almost took that to the chest.
this is the worst part right here. Get some bead sealer in there, guys. Oh, there she is.
One down.
So much freaking bigger.
With a little redneck ingenuity, we got one down. We got 3 more to go. We're gonna keep getting after it.
One set, done. Next set to go. We gotta do the fronts next. If you go the right way with the impact, the nuts come off better. Never torque anything down to spec, because you want to be able to ride and watch your tire roll by you. And just like that, with the drop of the jack, old Grizz got to be not brand new, but new to it, compared to the old. A lot bigger, like 3 sizes too big probably, but you know, might as well send it. What, you know, there's no such thing as too big. It's goddamn America! Alright guys, so this is what was on it. Great for nothing. That's what's on it now. It's a little different. It's a little different. We may or may not, we won't know until we take it for a run, May have to do a little trimmage right here. That might be the only spot we may have to trim. We didn't put a lift kit in this. This is bone stock yet.
It's a little rattly. We got the baffle.
All right, guys, Dustin's ready to go. He's on, ready to get after it. We're gonna load up, and what do you think, Dustin? Any words? How's it gonna go? How's it gonna run? Anything? Yeah. Solid. Alright guys, so with the little redneck ingenuity, we got the new tires on the Grizzly. The front's rubbed just a little bit, so Dustin's got wheel spacers going on there. They should be getting in tomorrow, about 1.5 inch wheel spacers, and then we might go take this thing out to ride a little bit, maybe film some content doing that. He didn't sell the boats, they're still over there.
Yeah, no, we're not done fishing. It's just I've caught way too many redfish and sheepshead on trips the last month that I'm kind of burnt out on staring at sheepshead and redfish, so we're gonna do something while it's blowing 70 miles an hour. That's still fun, that we love to do, and yeah, we're still gonna be fishing. It's just waiting for a little bit calmer days.
Whenever we can't get out or we're bored of inshore fishing, you guys are probably just gonna go ride and film some content that way, but hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Next one, we should be out riding a little bit, so stay tuned to that. We got a couple trips hunting coming up too, so for those of you that hunt, watch the channel. We're gonna do some hog hunting here in the next week or two, so stay tuned for that. If you guys like the video, make sure to like. Be sure to subscribe down below if you haven't, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Peace.